Hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 8 in how to program TCL on Cisco routers. On this lesson, we're going to talk about how to write a batch of commands, TCL commands, save them in one file, and upload them to the router and run them. We're going to use the commands that we learned in the previous lessons. Okay, gets and puts and set. Okay, now any XPR. First of all, I go to any text editor of my liking. I go here, I'm going to use gedit, so I go to applications and Debian and go accessories and gedit. Okay, you can use Kate, you can use VI, you can use Emacs, whatever you like, it's up to you. Now, just for video purposes, I change this to having it on 24 points. Okay, as okay. Now, next thing, I go to the view, okay, menu, and I go to the highlight mode, and I select from the scripts, okay, the TCL item here, menu item. This will make the text colored, okay, according to the syntax of TCL, and this is what we call syntax highlighting. So let's start with the very first important thing. There's this character, the square. If TCL sees it as the very first character in the line, this is a comment. Okay, this means that this line is discarded. We call it a comment because we make comments and descriptions of the purpose of the script that's saved in this file. Okay, so this is a comment. This is discarded and ignored by TCL as such. Okay, the interpreter. Now, let's start with making the sum program that we learned in the last lesson. So, puts the sum, let's make it like a title, of two numbers. Okay, and let's say puts here and make it that big. Okay, now let's say here puts enter x. Okay, and then I say here, I say x and y. Now enter x, I say gets stdin, okay, x. Okay, and then I copy this because I want to make for y. And then set sum as expr of $x plus $y. You have to understand TCL is case sensitive. Puts, see, if I put puts, it's not colored. This is the correct puts. Okay, same for any other command. So you have to understand, even for the variables, if they change the character case from capital to small, okay, from uppercase to lowercase, or any mix of the lowercase and uppercase, it can have a different meaning, a different variable. Okay, so x is not equal to x, cool, and y is not equal to capital Y, cool. This is how TCL interprets things. So I'm gonna put here the sum, let's say directly sum, okay, of dollar of x equals $x and y equals $y, okay, as $sum. Cool. I'm gonna save this, and I must save it into the root folder of the TFTP server, because this is how I'm going to upload the file. Okay, I'm going to say Cisco, okay, Cisco sum, change it here, remove this tilde, okay, so Cisco dash sum.tcl. I'm going to save it. Now I go to the router. Now I must enable, then TCL sh. If I want, I can do that, doesn't matter. I say copy, okay, because you know in TCL I can run the commands of Cisco directly within the shell of TCL. So copy TFTP, okay, disk 0, okay, from TFTP to the disk on the router. This is the IP of the router, I mean the TFTP server. Okay, the source file name is Cisco dash sum.tcl. okay, this is the file name, and alright, so if I say dir disk 0, okay, so this is my Cisco sum file. Now I want to run this file, so what I do inside TCL sh, I do source, and here's my file. Okay, I copied the line, so this is it. So I've got the sum of two numbers x and y, and enter x. So I'm putting x now, which is 4, and y, which is 5. I must get 9, and this is it. Cool. I can use source as much as I want. 5, 6, and 11. So the command named source is the one that loads and runs the script inside TCL sh. Okay, and thanks for watching.